Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create presentations using Gamma AI. Gamma is an innovative AI design partner that helps you build stunning presentations, documents, and even web pages with remarkable speed. You can start by generating content from a simple prompt, pasting existing text, or importing a file. This tool transforms your ideas into a polished, interactive format, moving beyond conventional slide decks. It's designed for efficiency and visual appeal. To begin, simply navigate to your Gamma dashboard and click Create New AI. Here, you can choose to generate a presentation from a simple one-line prompt, paste in existing notes, or import a file like a PowerPoint. After entering your topic, Gamma will quickly generate a structured outline. You can then refine this outline, selecting details such as the number of cards, which are like slides, and your preferred language. Gamma offers extensive customization options to make your presentation truly unique. You can choose from various themes, adjust color palettes, and select font styles to match your brand. The platform allows you to pick image sources, including AI-generated visuals or stock photos. You can also fine-tune card layouts, add subtle animations, and customize backgrounds. For consistent branding, easily integrate your logo and specific color codes. Once your Gamma presentation is complete, sharing it is straightforward. You can generate a unique, shareable link for easy online viewing, requiring no Gamma account for recipients. For offline use or further editing, export your project as a PDF, a PowerPoint file, or even directly to Google Slides. You also have the flexibility to save individual cards as high-quality PNG images or publish your presentation directly to LinkedIn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.